Thursday, May 30, 2024. Focus. Get up. He's calling you. Summoned by the big boss during my early days of an intern, I vividly recall the fear I felt. Abandoning what I was doing, I hurried to his cabin. This memory resurfaces as I delve into today's gospel, where Jesus engages a beggar, asking him about his desires. The contrast is stark. Unlike Big Boss, whose power made it all about him, Jesus, in his infinite compassion, calls the blind beggar to express his needs. It makes me actually aware of my own spiritual blindness and the need for God's light to expose my hidden flaws. But the narrative extends beyond my personal experience. To mend and renew, I must honestly see myself, recognize my shortcomings, and seek God's transformative light. It is about perceiving God and neighbor in a new light, ultimately embracing a deeper connection with both. The process of getting to know Jesus mirrors understanding a person, reading, inquiring, and interacting. He provides the pure spiritual milk of the word of our spiritual growth. Living by His word transforms our perspective, values, and priorities, leading to a more fulfilling life. Jesus continually calls us into His inner circle, urging us to proclaim God's wonders as consecrated persons. The Big Boss anecdote remains a poignant reminder. Actions often speak louder than words. Fruit. Let us get up and get going and respond to Jesus' call daily by living the gospel.